Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating a very cute, whimsical springtime, summertime decor. This project is just in time for Easter, and so I'm going to be using some vases from the Dollar Tree, 2 round vases, 1 large and 1 small. That's going to be the body of the project. And I'm going to be using that white yarn that you see in the back, and I'm also going to be using the orange yarn. I'm also going to be using that artificial snow that you see there, and I'm not going to go through everything because it's just going to take too long. So with that said, I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start with a piece of cardboard, just any old piece of cardboard, flexible cardboard, and I'm going to cut it down in half and then cut it down some more so that I can create a shape of a cone. So this cone shape item that we're making is going to be a carrot. And this is the first of the decor that we're making. This is going to complement the final project. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just going to use that hot glue to shape and form the cone. Again, the cone is just the shape of the carrot. I'm going to use my clear gel tacky glue just to spread it around the cone. I'm going to be putting the orange chenille yarn on. This is going to help it stick, and this is going to create a very beautifully shaped carrot. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm just going to wind it around until it's nice and secure, and then I'm going to continue wrapping it until it's completely wrapped. So as I wrap it, I'm going to make sure that the yarn is very close to each other, that there are no spaces in between. This is faux boxwood that I picked up from the craft store, and I'm going to use that as the greenery at the top of the carrot. So I'm going to use enough boxwood to cover the opening. And guys, that's this first part of the project is done. That looks really, really cute. So now I'm going to take a couple of these rabbit paw out of the package. These rabbit paws come from the Dollar Tree, and you get 10 in the package. So I'm going to be using the large pink portion of it, the circular portion. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to take out 2 because I need them to be the same size. And I'm just going to cut away all the excess that I don't need. So we're going to start to create the rabbit ears. So the pink part is going to represent the inner portion of the ear. And so now I'm going to cut out the cardboard that's going to be basically the structure of the rabbit ears. And I'm going to freestyle the outer edges of the rabbit ear, and then I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to create 2, of course. So now that those are cut out, I'm going to take this white felt and I'm going to use it as a softer side for the rabbit's ears. I want the rabbit ears to be soft and flexible. So I'm going to use this white felt and I'm going to cut out 2 equal sized pieces and I'm going to hot glue the cardboard to the felt. So I've trimmed off any excess that I don't need, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the inner portion of the rabbit ears. I'm going to take and cut down that material down to a smaller size, give it a nice little shape, and then I'm going to hot glue it to the white part of the rabbit ears. Alright guys, so now that that's done, I'm just going to shape the ears a little bit so that they're not so flat. So next I'm going to move into the body of the project, and I'm going to use the 2 vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So this artificial snow I've had from last Christmas, and I didn't use much of it, so I'm going to use this today in the project. So this is made from, I think, acrylic or something. It doesn't feel like cotton. I'm just going to stuff it inside the small vase and the larger vase. I want to create a soft, fluffy look, and I don't want this on the outside of the glass, so I'm going to put it inside. When this part of the project is done, this is what that's going to look like, and I really do love the way that looks. So what I'm going to do next is use a little bit of double bonding molding tape. It's sticky on both sides, and I'm going to apply a little bit around the top rim of the larger vase. I'm going to put it all the way around, and then I'm going to put the smaller vase on top, adhering the 2 pieces together. So guys, now this is on nice and tight. The tape really does hold well. It holds better than hot glue in my opinion. And as you can see, I'm shaking it. And so this project won't be shaken like this, but I just wanted you to see how well that molding tape really works. So now I'm going to create the face for our rabbit. And guys, I have to tell you, I had a terrible time creating a face that didn't look scary. And so this is my first try at it, and I was really trying to just create something soft, and it just didn't work out. As a matter of fact, the rabbit looked scary, and I did the face 5 times. So the picture that you see there at the top was the final results, which I created the next day. So anyway, her face came out really, really cute. So I stopped creating the face and I just continue to create the rabbit. So what I'm doing is using that same artificial snow material just to create a soft bunny tail. I'm just going to just put it in my hands, roll it around, and then hot glue it to the back. Next, I'm going to be doing the same thing with the ears. I'm going to attach the ears to the back of the rabbit's head. And after that, guys, I'm going to use this pink burlap ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year, and I'm going to cut that in half, cut it in half again. I'm going to use about 1/4 of an inch in width. I'm going to be creating a nice little bow around our rabbit's neck. And guys, I really love the way this came out. Look how nice this looks. Again, at this point in the video, I did redo the rabbit's face. I created a softer looking, more friendly looking face the next day, and this is the final result. This is so nice and so sweet. You can keep it up for the spring and summer months. This came out really nice. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.